Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. This is my grow update for 4/14/2019. Okay, so these are all of my backup plants. Actually, some of these look better than my main plants, but they're in some of the little 8-ounce cups. I've just got them wicking out of the AeroGarden Bounty, out of the Sprout, and this DIY system that I made. This is working really well. I got the idea from Matt Garver to do it this way after they transplanted to the cups. And these are transplanted when they were like really tiny. They were just like that. But they're doing very well. So I've got like a Blue Christmas over here. This is High Heel Lemon Drop. Pimenta Espelette. This is a Cedrino plant here in its own cup, as well as this Lycium Oxide Scotch Bonnet Mustard. Looks really good. This is an Orange Ghost from White Hot Peppers. Actually, I got the seed for this from White Hot Peppers also. This is a Starwatch Hornet. And it's a King Star Cross. Another King Star Cross is Yellow Pumpkin. And it looks totally different from this Yellow Pumpkin. And they came from the same pod seeds did. So I don't know. This one just got leggy. There it was at, or if I get my seeds mixed up, but it doesn't look the same as this guy here. Anyway, I've got a Chinzo over here in its own cup off to the side. There's a purple pumpkin down in here. This is Lycium Oxide Scotch Bonnet Red in its own cup. So yeah, these are looking very good. This is just a temporary setup until I can get them moved somewhere else. I'll probably give a lot of these away as gifts, kind of hanging on to them just to make sure my other plants move along okay. Okay, these are the plants that I've moved outdoors. I've had these inside these this wicking bucket for a while, so they're gonna go into something soon. These are wicking containers. I mentioned I could do this before, but so there's nutrient solution in there, so instead of just putting them in a cup, let's drop them in a bigger container. So I've got, it's a King Star Yellow Pumpkin. This is a Reaper crossed with Moruga. This is a purple pumpkin there. And this is a Daddle. This is a King Star Starwatch Hornet. These I just moved a few minutes ago. I just set them up, but I've got a Leviathan Gnarly Scorpion, 7-pot Lucy. I believe that's the Chocolate Bula SM. This is the White Hot Lime. It's a Justin White pepper. This is my Reaper plant. And this is a White Hot Pepper Scotch Bonnet 2. So this is a Jade Ghost Scorpion crossed with Moruga, the Yellow Pheno. It's from Justin White. It's in a self-watering container. And this is from seed I got from Tony Sherwood. It's a Primo crossed with Carbonero. And Carbonero is also Tony's cross. It's a 3-way cross. But it's in another self-watering container. Those are doing well. Well, that one's doing well. And this is the Bigelokia I've had out for a while. I've been growing it for a while indoors. You can see the massive trunk on that guy. I've got it in a DWC now. And I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with it. I'm still kind of adjusting it. I have whacked it back to really just branches, and this is all new growth. This is one I just transplanted. It's a Butch T Scorpion, and the seed for it actually came from Butch Taylor. So it's DWC. I just transplanted it a few minutes ago. My plan is to grow this out a little bit, let some roots growing, and then set up a large cracky grow for it. So I just acquired a 60-gallon pickle barrel. So I'm going to try to make that into a large cracky grow and put this plant in it. Once these roots kind of grow out a little bit in the DWC, then it should be ready to transplant to the large cracky container. This is the 60-gallon pickle barrel I got at a place that recycles different kinds of barrels, but it should be food safe, just had pickles in it. I need to do something about this. Is going to collect water, so I'm probably going to put the plant here and build up a ring, some kind of angle. It's not going to be directly out in the open. It'll be next to the porch where there's kind of an overhang, so I'm not going to worry too much about it, but I think this will be good for a large cracky grow. So these are the remaining plants in the grow tent under the HLG 100s. And I just bought this 5,000 lumen LED grow light. It's supposed to be, it doesn't say the spectrum, it says a daylight, so I'm assuming it's around 5,000, 5,000 to 6,000. That's what it looks like. I've got plans for this later, but I just stuck it in here to give, since these are 3000K, I thought they could use a little bit of extra blue spectrum. so I just threw it in there. I actually keep it lower than what I raised it up just to shoot the video. It's a lithium oxide Scotch bonnet red. I think this is a 7-pot peach. Scorpion, King Star, Peach Star Kiss there. This is a Bon de Majacque red. I got some theories about this pepper. I'll go into more detail later. They're like really mega hot. I think they may be like, it's nothing like a regular Bon de Majacque, and these are like, they taste floral, like they've got some 7-pot. They're in the borderline super hot range, so I suspect maybe it was a regular Bon de Majacque cross with the 7-pot. But they kind of remind me of the lithium oxide Scotch bonnets. They're a little bit hotter, and they're mega prolific, so I'm gonna grow it again. I got my original pod from Jesus Rosario, and then I grew from those seeds. These are some of my annuums I have left. It's a Blue Christmas. It's a King Star White Tie. That's a Cedrino. It's kind of like a cayenne pepper, yellow pods. This is from Justin White. Chenzo is a Palmyra. And this is my Shishito crossed with Stavros. It's my cross. So that's what I've got left. I'm in the process of moving these outside, getting some real sunlight, and hardening them off. We've got a really mild winter, and I think I can get away with putting stuff outdoors like earlier. Nothing permanent, but just the things that I can move inside if I need to. So I think that'll give me a little bit of a head start. Anyway, so that's my grow for April 14th, my weekly grow update. I hope you like that and been following along. Please like, comment, and subscribe.